Hello everyone, this is Nadia from LifterLMS. Today, I'll show you how you can limit the number of students that can enroll in a specific course. So let's get started. First, we have to ensure that we are on our WordPress dashboard. Here under LifterLMS, we can see that we have an option courses. Now I will click on this courses option. So I already have a strategy course and I want to add the student capacity on this strategy course. That's why I'm clicking on edit. So here is my strategy course, and here we can see that we have an option that is course options. Now I will click on this restrictions tab. So under restrictions tab, we have enable course capacity option. That means we can limit the number of users that can enroll in this course. So we have to just enable this option. Here we can select the course capacity. That means how many students we want to enroll in this course. So I'm selecting one only for the demo purpose. So now I will click on update. So now if I revisit my course and refresh it, so here we have an option that gets started. So if I enroll in this course and now if I log out and I again try to enroll in this course, I can see that here is a message that enrollment has closed because the maximum number of allowed students has been reached. So I hope this video will help you. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.